What's up guys, Passive here, back with another video, and this is a quick update on RainbowBOT. We've added a few new features and some updates and stuff, and I'd like to walk you guys through it. So first of all, when you first invite RainbowBOT, it'll prompt you to actually update its config. Now for example, if I actually let's just go r.invite. This is my testing server, so it does have a bunch of stuff there, but if I kick RainbowBOT and then invite it over, you can see it'll actually prompt you to run the commands and set it up. So as you can see, hi, I'm RainbowBOT. You can type r.help for a list of commands or r.setup for a guide on how to set it up. So if you type r.help, obviously you'll get a list of commands. Now there aren't very many commands, but it's all you really need. Now, for example, r.invite, you get the invite link and also a count on how many servers the bot is in. Next, r.stats, if we do that, you'll get a count on how many servers, how many users, how many channels, how long the bot has been up, the heap size, and also the amount of roles it is currently running. Next you've got r.help, which I showed, and r.setup. Now that is a very new command and it is quite helpful. If we do r.setup, you get a full guide on how to set it up and also a frequently asked questions guide. So first of all, make sure the bot is in your server. I'll have a link on to join my server, which you can then type r.invite to get an invite link to the bot. But next, once you've got it in your server, you put the bot's auto-generated role at the top of all roles in your server. Now I do have images to show you what to do for each thing. Now see, the RainbowBOT role is at the very top, and it also has admin permissions, so it can change the role colors. Next, you've got to make sure the roles are mentionable. So that means if I type @ and then it will give admin or this role is Rainbow, because those roles are mentionable. Now that is actually shown here with allow anyone to @mention this role. Just make sure that's checked. Next we have make sure the role of the people is their highest role. So that's kind of a little confusing, but basically what it means is if you want this person to have rainbow roles, their highest role has to be the one that you're doing the rainbow thing on. For example, if I made him admin and the admin role has a color, for example, if I go to roles, admin, and give the admin role red or something, he will look red and not green. So that's basically what I'm trying to explain there. Next, to run the commands, you type r.rainbow. We've gotten rid of the 60 seconds for this because it just simplifies things. And then you type @ and then choose the role you want rainbow, and then it will run that command and update the configuration for that role. Now as you can see, it will change that role's color every 60 seconds. Now I'll let that run for a little bit, but it will eventually update that role's color. If we actually go here, just make sure it is at the top like usual, or else it won't be able to change the role's color. But in 60 seconds this will change from green to another color. Next we have r.color, and that will take the role and also the any amount of hex colors for that. So for example, r.color admin, actually, because just make sure the role is there. And then after that, let's say the colors I want are black, which is 0000000. You can also look up hex colors. For example, if we head over to a color palette site, I can find a few different good hues of color. and then once we're here, I can get these and copy them. Let's just head over there, and I'll actually just add them as their own separate thing. But you can add each one of them, and then once you run the command, it will give you a role. Let's just do 3 for this example. Once I run the command, it will update the role with those colors, and every 60 seconds it will change. You can see it started off with the blue, and also as you can see there, the role, this role is rainbow, is being rotated there. So that's basically it for the bot. But if you want to stop rotating the role's color, I can do r.off, if I can spell correctly, and say for example I want to stop rotating colors on the admin role. It will no longer rotate roles for that, role colors I mean. And then for frequently asked questions, we do have a quick explanation. So first of all, why it's only 60 seconds, why not faster? Because Discord could ban the bot if I did make it faster. Next, why isn't it working when I do r.rainbow at user? And that is because if I do at passive, for example, this is me obviously, but I am a user, and you can't actually change the color of a user specifically. You can only change the color of their role. And yeah, so next we have does RainbowBOT have any more commands? And that is no. Everything in help is all the commands there is, which makes it simple and easy to use rather than having 20 or 30 confusing commands that aren't needed. Next, can you download the bot? And yes, you can actually. With this, you can download the bot and actually run it yourself. I will show an example. Let's just go to the bot itself. Now, for example, once you've downloaded the release, extract it using WinRAR or some other program, open that up and go down here, then you run the bot and it'll ask you for your key, and then it will close, and in the config you put your key there. I'll just close all of these, but you put your Discord token there and it will accept that, and then the next time you run it, it will run properly. See how the token was missing. But yeah, so once we've got that up and running, you will have the bot perfectly fine. And also another cool little feature of the bot is if the bot ever goes offline or for some reason it loses connection, as soon as it restarts, it will actually restart the rainbow roles, so you don't have to run the command again, which was a big issue in the previous version of the bot. But yeah, this video is sort of rambling on, but hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Not so quick actually, but yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.